talking about understanding the true essence of unique. The term unique refers to individuality, often used to describe something extraordinary, distinctive, or one of a kind. But what exactly does it mean to be unique? How do we measure this quality? And why is it so important? Defining unique. What is unique? The word unique might seem complicated, but it simply means something is very special and rare. Imagine you have a toy that nobody else has. It's the only one of its kind. That's what being unique is all about. It's one of a kind, like having a treasure that no one else in the world has. Think of a snowflake. It's very special because no two snowflakes are the same. Just like you, each snowflake is different and extraordinary in its own way. That's what makes them unique. Being unique isn't just about being different, it's about being yourself. You are made up of your own mix of special things, like your favorite color, the way you laugh, or the stories you love. These things make you special and different from everyone else. It's like having your own superpower that makes you stand out. When we celebrate uniqueness, we celebrate what makes us all different and amazing. Just like how a puzzle has many different pieces, each piece is special. When they all come together, they create something wonderful. That's how uniqueness works. It's like a big colorful puzzle where everyone has their own piece. And when we put them all together, it's magnificent. Uniqueness is entrepreneurship. In the world of entrepreneurship, unique carries immense significance. It's the cornerstone for innovative ideas that disrupt industries, creating solutions that stand out from the crowd. Entrepreneurs strive to uncover different ideas, services, or products that fills a gap or addresses a need in an extraordinary manner. This pursuit of uniqueness fuels progress and transformation in the business landscape. In the world of entrepreneurs, people who start new businesses or bring new ideas to life, unique is a big deal. It's like having a secret ingredient that makes your idea or product super special and different from all the others out there. Entrepreneurs always want to create something new and special that no one else has thought of before. That's what makes them stand out and succeed. Finding this unique factor is just like a treasure hunt for entrepreneurs. They explore, think, and come up with new and amazing ideas. Sometimes they even combine different things to create something totally new, like mixing a bicycle with a music player to create a fun new way to exercise. But here's the tricky part. How do we measure or figure out how unique something is? Well, uniqueness is a bit like deciding which flavor of ice cream is the best. Everyone might have a different favorite. What's special or unique to one person might be quite ordinary to someone else. So it's more about how much an idea or thing impresses or stands out to the people who see or use it. Embracing uniqueness. In a world where everyone might seem similar, embracing uniqueness stands out as an act of bravery and authenticity. Embracing uniqueness isn't just about being different for the sake of it. It's about celebrating what makes each of us special and unique. When we embrace uniqueness, we encourage creativity to flourish. Think of it like coloring with different crayons. You get to create a picture that's unlike any other. Embracing what makes us unique allows us to bring fresh and creative ideas to life. It's like painting a colorful canvas of possibilities. We can open doors to innovation and self-discovery. It's like discovering hidden treasures with ourselves. Embracing what makes us unique allows us to think differently, exploring new paths, and discover talents we never knew we had. It's about being brave enough to say, "This is who I am and I am proud of it." surprisingly, embracing uniqueness can lead to success. Just like how a puzzle piece fits perfectly into a jigsaw. Embracing what makes us unique helps us find our place in the world. When we embrace our unique qualities, we attract people who appreciate us for who we are. This can lead to meaningful connections, opportunities, and success in our personal lives and careers. In conclusion, the concept of unique is a celebration of individuality and originality. Embracing uniqueness fosters creativity, innovation, and progress. In entrepreneurship and beyond, it's the motivation for setting oneself apart and leaving a mark on the world. Whether it's in our personal lives or our professional journeys, celebrating what makes us unique empowers us to be ourselves authentically. It's about shining brightly as the unique individuals we are and making the world a more colorful and interesting place for everyone.